Hi, my name is Ron Maton and today we're preparing our fields. I'm currently sitting in this New Holland T6090 with the GPS as well. As you can see, we operate with GPS, and as you can see, it's doing what the GPS is supposed to do. And this is just to show you guys where we're busy at the moment. And we're currently pulling a TWK 24 disc implement. So I just want to show you guys more or less how the GPS works. I'm just outside the tractor. Here's the tractor that we use, and there's the implement as well. I'm gonna show you how the GPS works now. Okay, here's how the system looks for the New Holland system. Let's go to run 4. Okay, most of this you have to fill in before you can make your first line. You have to put in your grower and perform the field and the operation and your implement before you can move on. And let's go to number 5. Okay, you'll see on top Swath recording. We work on curve, so but we do straight lines as well. Then you record it, and yes, and you'll see the green lines on the map will show finished with it. And also when you're ready in your line, like you'll see there's a red line, that's the line I'm currently in. I can just say ready to engage, and the tracker will do basically everything on its own.